So I'm just staying out of the intense afternoon heat. I have one little window here. No fan in here, which would be really nice if there was, but still it's staying relatively cool. And it's a nice peaceful spot. Just kind of hanging out, gonna read a book, maybe work on the computer a little bit, watch the birds, see if I doze off or not. Oh, the other one is had poked its head in. You can, yeah, now it's just behind. Let's see if I can. Nope, it just took off. There it goes. And I should mention, this hut is 100 rupees, which is $1.50. Pretty good deal.